A woman stands in her walled garden, draped in an embroidered robe patterned with vines and fruit. A hooded falcon rests calmly on her gloved hand as heavy grapevines and golden pentacles climb the wall beside her. Nearby, a small snail glides quietly across the stones. Behind her, a manor house rises in serene stability. The Nine of Pentacles is earth in full fruition, self-sufficiency, refinement, disciplined abundance, and the quiet pleasure of a life tended with care. The woman is the central symbol. She radiates composure, independence, and earned confidence. Her solitude is chosen, not forced. She stands alone because she has created a sanctuary where her inner and outer worlds align. She represents mastery of the material realm, wealth shaped by patience, boundaries, and self-respect. Her calm expression shows that abundance is most meaningful when it produces ease rather than excess. The falcon on her hand forms the second key symbol. Hooded, disciplined, and entirely under her gentle control, it represents instinct tamed through wisdom. Earlier in the suit, ambition and fear were unrefined. Here they have been trained into clarity and focus. The falcon teaches that mastery requires inner discipline. Our impulses must serve our higher intentions. The third symbol is the flourishing vine thick with grapes and pentacles. It signifies cultivated prosperity, beauty grown through consistency and care. Grapes speak of pleasure, ripeness, and sensual appreciation. The coins express material stability. Together, they show that enjoyment is not indulgence, but the rightful harvest of responsible stewardship. Her embroidered robe is the fourth symbol. Its patterns echo the garden's vines, demonstrating harmony between environment and self. She wears her success naturally, not ostentatiously. This mirroring shows that true abundance is integrated, not performed, an inner state reflected outward through taste, order, and balance. The fifth symbol is the snail at her feet. Easy to overlook, it anchors the card in humility. Its slow movement reminds us that lasting prosperity grows gradually and that even in moments of splendor, life continues at its own pace. The snail protects the woman from arrogance, grounding luxury in patience and respect for all forms of life. Behind her, the manor house represents security, the stable structure supporting her independence. The garden wall protects but does not confine, allowing her solitude to feel spacious and free. In readings, the Nine of Pentacles signifies independence, prosperity, self-reliance, and enjoyment of one's achievements. It blesses solitude, refined living, and the pleasure of creating a life aligned with one's values. Its caution, comfort must be paired with gratitude, or it becomes complacency.